All you need are just few ingredients to make this mango ice cream at home. No matching needed, simple and creamy. Hope you enjoy watching. It took me a very long time to accept, or years to accept the fact that I could make my homemade ice cream looks like a store-bought creamy ice cream without any machine. Now, this is a very detailed recipe that I have tried countless times, and every now and then it has always turned out so creamy and irresistible. First, we want to achieve a mango puree. We need about 1.5 cup of mango puree. Now you can go for frozen mango or fresh mango, but you and I know the difference or the taste between the frozen one and the fresh one. So if you can lay your hands on the fresh one, I suggest you go for fresh mango. I've gone ahead to clean my two medium large mangoes, scoop out the flesh, add to your blender and blend. So you want to achieve a very fine, smooth mango puree. Then we will set that aside for now. Another ingredient we have here is our heavy cream. We have 3 cups of heavy cream. Add to a bowl. Use your hand mixer or a standard mixer. If you have none of these, your whisk will also do this. It will only take a little bit of more time. You want to do this or whip your cream until stiff form just like this. Make sure you don't overdo this, or if you are using a standard mixer, just stay behind not to over whip your cream. If not, you'll end up achieving butter. Okay, you just want to have something formed or solid just like this. Now, another thing we need, which is the third ingredient we need for this ice cream, is your vanilla sugar, vanilla extract, or vanilla bean, just like me today. So I will go for vanilla bean because I have one at home. It is more expensive, but if you don't have any of this, or if you don't have vanilla bean, please go for any vanilla sugar you have at home. So I did dissolved it first in my heavy cream before adding the mango puree. Okay, just small scrape of it is fine for this recipe. So add in 1.5 cup of your mango puree and half a cup of condensed milk. I made this condensed milk. It is homemade condensed milk. Like guys, homemade is homemade. Nothing to compare with homemade. And this ice cream turned out superb. Now it is more expensive to buy condensed milk over here than making yours at home. If you want to see that recipe, please let me know in the comment section and I will share that with you. And the fourth ingredient we added to this ice cream here is 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Okay, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice or lime juice. I used lime juice. The lime or lemon juice is optional. It's just this is just to give you a better sweetness of your mango ice cream. So if you have one, I think you should go for just that. 1 teaspoon of each would do for this recipe. Now you want to go in and fold, use a spatula, fold and fold or anything capable until your ice cream is in uniform. Make sure everything is well incorporated. Now, guys, you could finish this bowl here because there's everything that has to do with mango here. It's like I'm in the Caribbean or I'm in Africa eating real mango from the tree. It tasted real good. Like I don't think you will go anywhere and get a real mango ice cream like this recipe. I promise you that it I've never gotten any. There is nothing like coloring or flavor booster, whatever. This is pure mango ice cream and it tasted so it tasted like you are in, in Madagascar or what like guys in my country in Nigeria in Ghana, like it tasted real mango. There's everything good about this mango ice cream here. You want to get your bread loaf form and add in your ice cream. Then you will also choose to go for some cookies chunks. It is optional. If not, if you don't want to have it, skip it. Fold everything in, add in more ice, and just until you achieve what you see on the screen. Now cover with a plastic foil. The plastic foil should be well laid on top of your ice cream. That will prevent any crystal ice. Okay. So again, you will bring it, or now you will bring it to your freezer and let it sit at least 7 to 8 hours. I left mine overnight, and the next day, this is what we have. It is very strong now. So you want to leave this on your countertop for at least 5 to 7 minutes until it softens up a little bit to enable you scoop it. And guys, your ice is ready. Like everything good about ice. Sorry if I keep saying ice. Ice in German we say ice. Okay, in English it is ice cream. So let me not confuse any of us here or confuse myself. Ice cream is ready, guys. After about 7 minutes, letting it to sit a little bit, you just get your ice cream scooper and you guys just portion and enjoy what we call real ice cream, real mango, homemade mango ice cream. Like guys, every I'm not an ice cream type, but I loved this ice cream. My husband became the baby of the house. He does not eat. He had a toothache, but he could not say no, and he kept asking for more. I hope you enjoy watching lovely people. Please don't forget to hit the like button. I added some overnight chai seed, and guys, some soaked chai seed. It tasted fantastic, tasted good. Please like the video for me, share with your loved ones, leave your opinion in the comment section. See you in my next one. Bye for now.